So suppose this is the experiment in which sea urchin, sea urchin, sea urchin egg and sperm fertilized in presence of actinomycin D. So what is actinomycin D? Actinomycin D, inhibitor of actinomycin D, inhibitor of transcription. So it inhibits, basically actinomycin D inhibits transcription. Now we draw a graph. Suppose this line we draw C14 valine in corporation, valine incorporation valine incorporation in protein. So valine is an amino acid in paper protein. So we detect the incorporation level of valine, through which we can easily understand or demonstrate the level of translation, or the level of translations, or how much translation occur, or how much protein is formed. Now hours after fertilization, this axis, hour after fertilization. Five, this is 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now basically we draw two diagrams. This is the case of first diagram, that initial 5, and after that like that. On the other hand, this is another initiate after 12 power increases. So this is absence of actinomycin D, absence of actinomycin D. This is presence of actinomycin D. So as we know, actinomycin D blocks transcription. Actinomycin D blocks transcription. Now from this graph we can easily understand what happened. Now hours after fertilization. So in the earlier, when actinomycin D present, the level of incorporation of valine decreases after 5 hours, or you can say after 5 hours. But on the other hand, in absence of actinomycin D, means in case of normal condition, a burst of protein synthesis initiated after about 12 hours of fertilization. So now suppose this is 12 hours after fertilization, a burst of protein synthesis initiated. But when actinomycin D present, this graph does not works, it decreases. Why decreases? Because actinomycin D blocks the transcription of those DNAs. But in earlier condition, the mRNA which are already present in the oocyte cytoplasm are translated. But after several hours of fertilization, new mRNAs are formed. But in case of presence of actinomycin D block the transcription of those DNAs. So there is no mRNAs, new mRNAs is formed. So no incorporation of valine occur in the protein. So this graph goes downwards. But on the other hand, when we fertilize sea urchin egg and sperm in normal sea water, after 12 hours, a burst of protein synthesis occur because the new mRNA is formed, and from these new mRNA, new proteins are translated. But when this is the earlier case, in earlier cases, after several minutes of fertilization, the mRNA which are present inside the oocyte cytoplasm are translated into the protein. So there is no synthesis of new mRNA. That is why this is same. But on the other hand, as after 12 hours of fertilization, the new mRNA is formed and a burst of protein synthesis occurs. So the amount of protein is increases abruptly. So this is the case what we discussed in the earlier. So synthesis of new messages occur 12 hours after fertilization. After 12, so synthesis of new messages. This is the case of new mRNAs because there is no actinomycin D. But on the other hand, initial hour after fertilization show translation of mRNAs which already present in oocyte cytoplasm. This is the initial hour. So initial hour after fertilization show translations of mRNAs which already present in oocyte cytoplasm. Now we take an example. The example we take an example in CRT. So EIF4E, the initiator of translation, binding protein is degraded. So EIF4E binding protein, that is inhibitor of EIF4E, is degraded and the mRNA begins to translate. Begins to translate an important protein, that is cyclin B. Now cyclin B combines with another important protein. Cyclin combines with CDK1 to form an important complex, called mitosis promoting complex, or maturation promoting complex, you can say, complex factor. What is the role of this complex? That initiates cell division. So we draw a diagram. The diagram is imaginary for understanding purpose only. So this is the mRNA of cyclin B. Now in case of unfertilized egg, this mRNA is inhibited. This is small e IF4E. This is the translation initiator. Now this function is blocked by inhibitor. This is inhibitor EIF binding protein. Now this EIF4, this inhibitor is degraded after fertilization. Inhibitor degraded. So when this inhibitor or EIF4E binding protein is degraded, now EIF protein binds with other some transcription factors and initiate translation. So translation initiated and cyclin B is formed. So cyclin B is formed from this mRNA. when the inhibitor is degraded during the fertilization. Now cyclin B complex with another important protein, that is CDK1. So cyclin complex with another important protein, that is CDK1. Now this CDK1 complex with cyclin B and form a complex, that is cyclin B CDK1 complex, or also called as MITO-MPF, mitosis promoting factor. So this mitotic promoting factor initiates cell division.